So this is a video for GTA car kits. Today we're installing a GTA car kit into a 2006 Acura MDX with navigation. And we'll start off with what tools you'll need. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, hook, and kind of like a clip removal tool. But it's similar to a flathead screwdriver, and if you are going to be using it, we suggest you put some electrical tape over it so you don't scratch the panels. So we'll start off with these two, the hook and the clip removal. And so we'll start off right here because depending on your car, here's the most gap. We basically have to take out this trim piece. It's only held on clips, so kind of put the hook in here, kind of lift it up, and then use our clip removal tool to lift it up more, and we just go around the edge. If you have skinny fingers, you can go with your fingers. That's better because that way you won't scratch it for sure. So we'll keep on doing it here. I'll show you the clips in a second where they are. You have to be really gentle and not scratch the radio or this panel here. It just pops up. So what you have to disconnect is on this side is the silver connector, and as you can see, I'll show you in a second how to disconnect it, and also this green one in the back. So in order to disconnect these, you have to, on the green one, you have to press this clip, and on the gray one, this tab right here. And we suggest not to take out this green plug because that's for the airbag, and sometimes if you take it out you'll have a airbag light, so, and that way you have to go and reset it. So we'll just put it to the side. It's not really, it is in the way but not really, so we just kind of let it hang. Also make sure it doesn't scratch in the bottom. So next step is to use your Phillips screwdriver, and you have to remove 6 screws, and there's 3 on this side, 1, 2, and 3, and same thing on the other side, 1, 2, and 3. And so we're gonna go ahead and remove these 6 screws. So we just removed our 6 screws, 3 on each side, and now the radio is ready to come out. And it comes out just straightforward. Make sure, like, you can put your knee underneath and make sure you don't scratch the panel that goes like this, the dashboard. So what you need to do now is you have to take, as you can see, this, because this car has navigation, it has this plug, this socket taken, for which we're going to be using, that's where our GTA car kit has to go in. So you just have to press it on top and pull it out like that. This is the male end. So now we'll show you our GTA car kit once it's assembled. So this is the GTA car kit. On one side, because this car has navigation, you need this splitter cable. So as you can see, this is the cable that comes from the kit right here, and so we have to use this splitter cable. On one side we plug in the GTA car kit, on the other side we plug in what I just took out from the back of the radio, that male plug, and this one has to go in the back of the radio. And as you can see, the kit, it's has the auxiliary cable and the cable for the iPod already hooked up to it. So we're gonna take out the radio again, and we're gonna plug this socket in right here, like that, and we're gonna plug in the one that we just took out into the splitter cable. And we're gonna kind of just put everything back, not screwing it in, but just to test it, because we're gonna run the cable to the glove box. There's an opening. If you open your glove box, there's an opening right here, so you can run the cable in behind here, because there's nothing really good in the middle, or you can also run it to the middle. So make sure you turn off the car and let the module reset before you start testing it. And the car was off, so we can just put it to first position, and we'll start off in the FM mode. And to get to our GTA car kit module, we have to go to the CD button, and you have to press it once. That's gonna be your regular CD, and if you press it second time, it's CD3. It's usually you use it for the auxiliary, and if you press it one more time, you're gonna have CD4. So these CD3 and CD4 options you didn't have before. So now once you plug in the kit, you have it. So we're gonna take our iPhone 4, connect it, and it's charging right now, and it's gonna charge the iPhone 4. Some kits don't, the older ones don't charge iPhone 4, but ours does. And right now it's locked, so we're gonna go, by controlling the discs, we're gonna go into disc 1, and this mode, everything, you can control your iPhone or your iPod yourself, choosing which song you want to play. So we're gonna play just some random song, and you can switch it from the actual iPhone, or you can use your original radio controls. As you can see, I'm switching it without touching the iPhone. I'm just using the stock controls. You can also use your for volume. I'm not sure about this car, but you can control your volume. And also if you use the channel, as you can see, and it switches the song. And also the other cool feature with our GTA car kit is, if you're a fan of listening to music by playlist, you can go to disc 2, and as you can see, when you go to disc 2 and up, it locks the iPod, and you control it fully through the radio. And so disc 2 is going to be your first playlist, disc 3 is your second playlist, and so this iPhone has 14 playlists, so it goes to up to 15 discs, as I just found out, this particular model supports up to 99 playlists, and with many different other cars it only goes up to 6, but with this one it goes up to 99 playlists. So when you're in a playlist mode, as I mentioned before, you can't control it through the iPod, but you can still use your iPhone. The music is just playing in the background, but you can just switch it through here, and but the rest of the iPhone works fine. So if you want to come back to the hybrid mode in which you can control it yourself, you just gotta go back to disc 1, as you can see here, and you can control it from here. And so the next step, once you tested everything and everything works, you have to run the wire. There's enough space to put the box behind the radio, and you can actually even take you can put it down there. There's enough room, and just run the cable through here behind the smaller piece and into the glove box. And hope you enjoy your GTA car kit. So again, this is the video for GTA car kit in 2006 Acura MDX with navigation. And thanks for watching, and see you next time.